Hi! It's been a long time. How are you?
I was good, thanks. What about you?
It's not bad. You're just busy with work. Hey, are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I don't have any plans.
I thought we could have lunch and maybe watch a movie.
That sounds great. Count me in.
Good morning. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Would you like it with regular milk or almond milk?
Regular milk, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Can I also have a blueberry muffin?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you. Hey, did you finish the assignment for today?
Yes, I finished it last night. How about you?
I'm almost done.
That's good.
By the way, did you understand question number 3?
No, I'm a bit confused about it too.
Maybe we can go over it together after class?
Sounds good.
Hi there, how's your day going?
It's going well. How about you?
Same here.
Did you get a chance to try that new restaurant opened in our market?
Yeah, I went there last weekend. The food was amazing.
I also loved it.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for books on gardening.
They're in the gardening section.
Great, thank you.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you today?
Not bad, just another busy day ahead. And you?
Same here, lots of work to do.
Absolutely. Can't wait for the weekend.
Me too, have a great day.
You too. Take care. Good morning.
Good morning, how can I help you today?
I'd like a croissant, please.
Sure, would you like it plain or filled?
I'll take a plain one, please.
All right, anything else?
Yes, I'll also have a chocolate chip muffin.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just a small coffee, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too, bye.
Hey there, how's your work going?
It's going all right. How about you?
Have you tried the new machines they installed?
Yeah, I gave them a try yesterday. They're pretty good.
Yeah, same here.
Are you planning to use them regularly?
Definitely. I'll use them after I finish here.
Have you seen the schedule for the group classes this week?
I haven't checked yet.
There's a yoga class tomorrow evening.
Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. See you around.
Yeah, keep up the good work.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely. Perfect for a walk.
Definitely. Have a good day. Good morning. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was pretty relaxing. How about you?
Same here.
That's good.
Do you have a minute to go over the new project timeline?
Sure. Let's grab a coffee and discuss it in the break room.